Good morning class. I am Pankaj Mishra, your maths teacher. Today I am here again with a video on maths class. So students, today our topic will be rational number. Students, in this chapter we'll be discussing about the number system also, and we'll be discussing about rational number, how to find the rational number. One video has been already uploaded on this topic, so I'll be explaining you again about this topic and some related problems regarding this. So student, first of all we'll talk about the rational number. What is rational number about? Basic definition, we'll start with this. Any number which can be written in the form of P by Q such that Q should not be equal to 0. That is, any number which is in the form of P by Q, that is numerator by denominator, and if Q is not equal to 0, then it is defined as a rational number. For example, we can write 2 by 5, 3 by 8, 1, 2. Why we can say 1 and 2 or 5? Because we can write 1 in the denominator also. So all these numbers are in P by Q form and the denominator is not equal to 0. So this is how we will define what is a rational number. So students, you will be asked to solve rational number between any two numbers. So I am giving you one example. By this you can solve. Like we have to find a rational number between 2 and 5. So student, what we'll do, we'll check that which number is greater. So from this you can say that 5 is greater than 2. So we'll write A is less than B. So what is A here? 2, and what is B here? 5. So we'll find a rational number between these by a formula R equal to A plus B by 2. So we'll write 2 plus 5 by 2, that is 7 by 2. On dividing we'll get 3.5. So you can see that 2 and 5, in between 2 and 5 there comes a number 3.5. So we can say that 3.5 is a rational number between 2 and 5. This is how you have to find a rational number. Now students, in this chapter we'll talk about how to rationalize a number, because one video has been already uploaded regarding the exercises. 1.1 we have already covered, but some of the questions are left, so I'll be discussing that questions, like how to rationalize a number. If you will see in your second exercise, there are some questions of rationalizing a number. Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Like question number 1, 2 by root 3 upon under root 5. So students, you can see root 5 is in denominator, so you have to rationalize this. So for this what we'll do, we'll multiply this under root 5 with the numerator as well as with the denominator. So this will be 2 root 5 into root 5, 2 root 3 into root 5 will be 2 into root 15 upon root 5 ka square, that will be 2 root 15 by 5. This will be your answer. So I will tell you some property, just write it down. If under root A is multiplied by under root B, that is if two numbers are different, then it will be under root AB. Second, if under root A is multiplied by under root A, this will be under root A ka square, that is equal to A. So this property you have to use in rationalization. Okay. One more question. 7 root 2 upon root 3 plus root 5. If in denominator the number is written like this, under root 3 plus root 5, then what we'll do, you will multiply like this, under root 3 minus under root 5 upon under root 3 minus under root 5. Now you have to multiply the number by this. So 7 root 2 will be multiplied by under root 3 minus under root 5, and in denominator you can see a plus b and a minus b. So you have to multiply it. A plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. So on multiplying this, what you will get, 7 root 2 into root 3 will be 7 root 6 minus 7 root 2 into root 5 will be 7 root 10 upon root 3 ka square will be 3 and root 5 ka square will be 5. So this will be 7 root 6 minus 7 root 10 upon minus 2. This is how you have to solve. And now you cannot subtract these numbers because in under root you can see here it is 6 and here it is 10. So this is how you have to rationalize a number. Now one more question in this. If you will be asked to simplify this, then how you will solve it? 3 plus under root 7 upon 3 minus under root 7 minus 3 minus under root 7 plus upon 3 plus under root 7. So in this, what you have to do, first you will rationalize the number. So 3 plus under root 7 upon 3 minus under root 7 into 3 plus under root 7 upon 3 plus under root 7. Again here 3 minus root 7 upon 3 plus under root 7 into 3 minus under root 7 upon 3 minus under root 7. So on multiplying this you will get 3 ka square minus under root 7 ka square, and this will be a plus b ka whole square. 3 plus under root 7 into 3 plus under root 7 will be 3 plus under root 7 ka whole square. Now in this side also it will be 3 ka square minus root 7 ka square and 3 minus under root 7 ka whole square. On expanding this, a plus b ka whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, this will be 9 plus 7 plus 6 root 7 upon 9 minus 7. This will be 9 plus 7 minus 6 root 7 upon 9 minus 7. So this will be 2 16 plus 6 root 7 and minus 16 minus 6 root 7 by 2. LCM will be 2. 16 plus 6 root 7 minus 16 plus 6 root 7. 16 goes with 16, 6 root 7 and 6 root 7 will be 12 root 7. So we can write 12 root 7 by 2. This will be equal to 6 root 7. This will be your answer. So students, by this method you have to rationalize the number. Rest of the questions already been discussed. So we'll move to the questions of exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. The first question is A share is 1/4 of B share. So A share is 1/4 of B share. B share is 3/5 of C share and C share is 4/5 of D share. Share of D is already given 50. So in place of D we can write 50. So C will be equal to 4/5 into 50. That means C will get rupees 40. We have to find A share. Now what we'll do, student, we'll put the value of C in B. So B will be equal to 3/5 into 40. In place of C we can write 40. So this will be 24. Now we have to find A share. So A share will be equal to what? A share will be equal to 1/4 into B share. So B share is rupees 24. So this will be rupees 6. So A will get rupees 6. Now the next question is the highest score of a team in an inning in a cricket test match was 7/16 of the total score. So we don't know, student, what is the total score, and the highest score of the team B was 7/24 of the remaining score, and the difference between the score is 70. What is the total score? So let the total score be of the team be X. Now the score of team A is 7/16 of the total score, that is X. So this will be 7/16 into X, that is 7/16X. Now the remaining score will be x minus 7 by 16x, because this is the score of team A and the remaining score will be x minus, that is total minus of team A. This will be 9x by itna. And score of team B, it is given in question that it is 7 by 24 of the remaining score. So remaining score is this much. So we'll multiply this. So we'll get 21 by 128x. Now what is the given condition? The given condition is that the difference of the score is 70. So team score and team score B ka difference is 70. So we'll put the value of team is score A, that is 7x by 16, and team B will be 21 by 128x is equal to 70. On taking the LCM, we'll get 128. On solving this, we'll get x is equal to 256. So student, rest of the questions are same. I'll give you the click of this exercise. You please solve it, and if you find any kind of doubt, you are free to ask me in the group. Okay? Thank you, students.